Bubblì Kids.
Let's take a trip to the big bright zoo. So many animals waiting for you. Some say roar and some say tweet. Some have paws and some have feet. A lion is brave with a golden name. Roars so loud like a jungle train. Elephant walks with a thump sound. Waves his trunk and stomps the ground. Monkey flips with a happy cheer. Swings on trees from far to near. Giraffe stands tall with a spotted neck. Reaches high to trees on deck. Oh, tiger growls with sneaky eyes, hiding low beneath the skies. Zebra trots in black and white, running fast and full of might. So wave goodbye, we'll come again to see our animal jungle friends. Clap your hands and say woohoo, we had a blast at the big front zoo.